wakulima wetu.
Akiaria hindi ya mambura ma gutuga arimi a iria kuria hotani mahetwo cikia ciringi milioni 13, Minister wa urimi Mwangi Kiunjuri niyugite arimi ni makoretwo makinyita itemi nene hari kugacirithia ituge nene cia thirikari.
Because of devolution, we devolved some of these functions. But this is the high time we have to think on this again, whereby we need a conference. We sit down with the governors, the CECs and the national government and ask ourselves, really for the interest of this country, are there some of things that we need to do together?
This reward function today is just one of yet another of our many activities. It is a reward, and it is a reward to our thousands of dairy farmers who wake up every morning, kukamua ng'ombe,
hamwe na uguo arimi a iria ni mahinyiririo guthie na mbere na gwikira kio urimi-ini wao kuona maciaro ma urimi na baita icokagirira murimi.
There is no way you talk of quality without extension, because these farmers need to be reminded. It is the high time that we ask ourselves a simple question: how many Kenyans are dying daily because of being fed by pesticides?
Also issues of just general hygiene, cleaning of the milk palace, issues of management of the animals, so that we can be able to achieve good quality milk. Once we do that, our products will become more competitive, we will earn more as a farmer, we can even trade in other areas.
Ihinda-ini o riu arimi ni moritio kumenyerera mahiu na njira ya kumahe dawa ihinda riria riagiriire, kuona uyu ni wonjoria wa mwanya na uria urabatara utheru wa gikiro kia iguru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi, wadia wa Murithi.